In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Wix account and manage your domain settings with ease. Whether you're building a new site or making adjustments, knowing how to navigate your domain settings is essential. So let's dive in and guide you through the process. First, you'll want to start by heading over to wix.com. Here, simply sign in with your credentials. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is your control center for all things Wix. On this page, you'll see a list of any websites you've created or are managing. Look for the site that's connected to the domain you wish to work with and select it. Now that we're looking at the specific site's dashboard, we need to venture into the settings. In the upper area of your dashboard, you'll find the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on that. Under the website settings menu, there will be an option labeled Domains. Select this to proceed. This section is critical because it gives you access to all your domain configurations. From here, choose the domain you specifically want to edit by clicking on it. This ensures we're making changes to the right place. Next, we'll delve deeper by accessing the Advanced DNS settings. Within the domain management area, look for an option that says Manage DNS records, or in some dashboards, it might be labeled Advanced Settings. Click on that. Now, you're at the DNS management screen. This area contains all your current DNS settings, including A, CNAME, MX, and TXT records, among others. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these settings, as they're pivotal for how your website connects and communicates over the internet. Now, let's talk about each of these DNS records briefly. First, there's the A record. This is crucial because it directs your domain to a specific IP address. If your site is hosted on Wix, this IP address will usually be associated with Wix. Next, we have the keyname record, which is all about subdomains. For example, if you want to link www to your primary domain, this is where you make it happen. Moving on to MX records, these are vital if you're setting up email services on your domain through platforms like Google Workspace or Outlook. Lastly, the TXT records might seem less familiar, but they play a role in domain verification for services like Google or Facebook. By patiently following these steps and understanding the role of each DNS setting, you're ensuring your website operates smoothly and effectively. And there you have it, a comprehensive run-through of accessing and editing your domain settings on Wix. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.